concrete and asphalt paving professionals at A.A.T. Infrared of Rockford, Illinois want to help you maintain your asphalt and concrete surfaces. We offer a wide array of installation and repair services for both residential as well as commercial clients using only the latest in cutting-edge surface maintenance and paving technologies. You can expect nothing less than superior workmanship and total and complete satisfaction with all of our work because it's all backed by our well-known reputation for quality work, timely service, and competitive prices. We specialize in asphalt and concrete maintenance, repair, and installation services, asphalt seal coating and crack filling, pavement marking and parking lot striping services, as well as decorative, stamped, and stained concrete. We also offer winter property maintenance services like snow plowing and salt spreading. For a free, no obligation, and no high-pressure consultation of your needs, contact us today at 815-966-0164. We'll work hard to earn and deserve your business. Mention this video commercial when you call and receive a special discount just for doing so. And remember, when you deal with A.A.T. of Rockford, you can rest easy knowing that your complete and total satisfaction is just a phone call, a handshake, and a smile away.